Hey guys, Tiller Money takes a spreadsheet first approach to budgeting, ideal for users who want total control over their finances. In 2025, it remains the top choice for spreadsheet lovers who want automation without sacrificing flexibility. Tiller securely connects your bank and automatically pulls in daily transactions. These updates feed directly into customizable Google Sheets or Excel templates, saving you hours of manual data entry. Also, you're not limited to preset categories. Tiller lets you build your budget exactly how you want it. From envelope-style layouts to annual planning, you can personalize formulas, charts, and dashboards to suit your workflow. Tiller offers a library of pre-built templates for monthly budgets, net worth tracking, and debt payoff. These serve as a great starting point for users who want a structure but still crave spreadsheet flexibility. To speed things up, you can set category rules that auto-tag recurring transactions, and over time, Tiller learns your habits and helps you track spending with increasing accuracy even across multiple accounts. Also, with the full spreadsheet access, you can go deep on financial trends, projections, and net worth charts. Whether you're analyzing spending habits or mapping out future savings, the detail level is unmatched. Tiller doesn't see or sell your data. Everything lives in your spreadsheet and you control it. Bank connections are encrypted and read-only. Also, your financial data stays private, local, and entirely yours. So, Tiller Money is a powerful tool for users who want hands-on control with automated convenience. It blends the precision of spreadsheets with the ease of live data feeds, and in 2025, it's still the gold standard for spreadsheet-based budgeting. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.